Hi, my name's Chris Johnson, and I've been with LeanLogistics for a little over 7 years. Currently, I serve as the Vice President of Research and Development, although that certainly wasn't always the case. Back in 2004, I started as a software developer intern within our research and development group. And over the past 7 years, clearly, I've had an opportunity to grow as the company has expanded. Now, over the past 7 years, there's really three things that have kept me here. The people, the company, and then its location. Since the day I started, I realized I was working with a whole bunch of people that were a lot smarter than I was. The coolest thing about that, though, was that they were willing to teach. And so if you're willing to learn, you'll have an opportunity to not only fit in, but to grow here. The second piece is that LeanLogistics is a growing company, but it is still small. And so every person here has an opportunity, really, to put their thumbprint on the business, to bring their ideas and their creativity to bear on what our company is doing every day. And thirdly, the location. West Michigan certainly isn't known as a mecca for software development, but LeanLogistics and other area companies are growing rapidly, and it's an absolutely wonderful environment to be just a few miles away from, honestly, some of the best sandy beaches in the entire United States, and to do it in a community that's very open, that's very fun, that's very laid back. Honestly, it's a great atmosphere to both live and to work. One position we're looking to fill, almost on an ongoing basis, is software developers. We expect a lot out of our software developers, but they get a lot from us. And there's really three aspects that we're looking for from a prior experience. On the back-end side of things, we tend to use Oracle databases. So if you have prior experience with relational databases, SQL Server, Oracle, or the like, you might be the right one from a back-end perspective. From a business logic layer, from an application server perspective, we're primarily a Java shop, but we have developers that had prior experience in other high-level languages, C#, C++, and the like. And from a front-end perspective, we use a menagerie of web technologies to deliver our SaaS applications. So if you have prior experience with HTML, PHP, JSTL, Flex, the Google Web Toolkit, fundamentally, if you have experience working with web technologies to deliver software, those are the skills that we're looking for. But at the same time, skills are only part of the equation. We need to make sure that you have a passion for technology. So if you're excited about what you do, if you're passionate about software development, certainly drop us a line.